Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Good day. My name is Julasa Makambao Saban from the Group 5, and my assigned topic is the assessing conducive learning. I am from the Group 5. Our leader is I am Rusty Muhammad. So let's start. So first here is determining what to teach. So this section outlines the five steps to plan a child education. First is to create a top-down plan. So when you say top-down plan, it is start with broad learning goals and grade them into smaller, manageable steps. Identify what assessment information is needed along the way. Secondly is to define targeted skills. Of course, you have to specify the exact skills the child needs to learn within the overall plan. Next is that to determine students' present level of performance, or that is called the LOP plan. It is to assess the child's current abilities to determine their starting point. Next is specify how the skills will be assessed. You will decide how you will measure the child's progress in each skill. So number 5 is to develop students' IEP goals and objectives. It is to create specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound or SMART goals aligned with the child plan. Next, last one is now we will moving on to the determining necessity. First is the instructional modification. So what does it mean? So it changes how the instruction is delivered. This might involve adjusting the language used, breaking down tasks, providing more time, or offering different ways to demonstrate understanding. So second one is curricular modification. It changes to the content of what's taught. This might involve adapting the curriculum to focus on essential skills using different materials, or modifying assignments to match the child's abilities. And the Department of Education, the DepEd, is mentioned, indicating adherence to national guidelines. So next is determining where to teach. So first is general physical education with no support. It means that full inclusion in regular physical education classes without additional support. It means it does not have an additional support. Second is the general physical education with support. It means that inclusion in regular physical education with additional support like modified activities or assistance. Next one is a combination of regular classes and specialized instruction in a separate setting. The child is pulled out of regular classes for specific support sessions. Is the number 3, part-time general or part-time pull-out system. So next is determining who will teach. Who are they? So first is peer from same class. It means that a classmate provides assistance or support to the person with disabilities. Next is the older peer from different class. A student from a higher level that helps. So it means that it is able to help those person with disabilities. And third one is the paid teacher assistant. This is a dedicated teacher support staff member assist the teacher. So next is the specialized P1 professionals. They are professionals like physical therapists or occupational therapists that provide specialized intervention.
Determining how well it went. The evaluation process with assessment data will allow the teacher to identify if the student is making adequate progress towards his goals and objectives. Furthermore, the assessment will allow the teachers to know if the program is effective for the majority of students with disabilities.
So next we have the determining how often we teach. First is consultation. These are the meetings to discuss the child's progress. Second is the 30 minutes of direct service, 60 minutes of direct service, and the 90 minutes of direct service. Those are the hands-on instruction provided directly to the students. Okay, so last is the basic means of assessment. First is the observation. So directly matching the child to know behavior, skills, and needs. Number two, analysis of student work. It is reviewing completed assignments, projects, and tests. Number three is task analysis. It is the breaking down complex tasks into smaller steps to understand where the child is struggling and to identify areas needing support. This method helps tailor instruction to bridge skill gaps. So we need to really adhere this child is struggling and they need a support system. So in summary, this topic provides a framework for providing support and assessing the effectiveness of interventions for children with special needs. Those are the children that are incapable or they are the person with disabilities. It highlights the importance of individualization, collaboration, and ongoing evaluation to ensure that each child receives the appropriate education and support to succeed.
So thank you for listening. Once again, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh.